This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to save progress first, so press the in-game save and wait for confirmation. Once done, close any active channels or software and return to the Wii menu so the system can shut down cleanly. Make sure you can reach the console and the Wii remote. The console power button is on the front, while the Wii remote's power button sits near the top. Do this now. It prevents data loss and ensures the console is ready for the next step. You can shut the system down by pressing the console power button once, or by pointing your Wii remote at the sensor bar and pressing its power button. When you press power, the Wii will close software and begin shutting down. This may take a few seconds. Make sure to hold steady and avoid pressing eject or reset. If you see the red LED blink, wait until it goes off and the TV screen goes black. This confirms the hardware fully powered down. After the screen is black, you're done. Unplug only if you need a full power cycle, and then wait 30 seconds before reconnecting power. If the Wii won't respond, press and hold the console power button for about 5 to 10 seconds to force it off. Use that only when necessary, because abrupt power-offs risk save corruption. If problems persist, inspect for a stuck power button or a frozen disk, and try removing the disk and repeating the control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.